Best Nest Thermostat. Upgrade your home with the Nest Thermostat, a smart, energy-saving device that learns your schedule, helps lower your bills, and lets you control the temperature from anywhere using your phone or voice. Starting at number 1, Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th Gen, plus Nest Temperature Sensor, 2nd Gen. Obsidian is a smart home climate control system that learns your schedule and preferences, adjusts temperatures automatically, and helps save energy. It includes a high-resolution borderless display, works with the Google Home app for remote control, and comes with a temperature sensor to balance comfort throughout your home while improving efficiency and comfort. Number 2. Nest T316US Thermostat. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. T316US is a smart, programmable thermostat that learns your temperature preferences and schedules to automatically create an efficient heating and cooling plan for your home. It connects to your home Wi-Fi so you can control the temperature from your phone, tablet, or laptop, adjust settings when you're away to save energy, and shows a helpful Nest Leaf icon when you choose energy-saving temperatures. It's compatible with most 24V HVAC systems and includes features like auto schedule, home away assist, energy history, and remote control via the Nest app. Number 3. Honeywell RTH9585 Thermostat. Honeywell Home RTH9585 WF1004 Wi-Fi Smart Color. Thermostat is a 7-day programmable smart thermostat with a customizable full-color touchscreen that lets you set different heating and cooling schedules for each day of the week and control your home's temperature from anywhere using Wi-Fi. It's Energy Star R certified to help you save on energy bills, works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and other smart home systems, and includes features like remote control via app, smart response learning, and maintenance alerts. Number 4. ecobee 3 Smarter Wi-Fi Thermostat. ecobee 3. Smarter Wi-Fi Thermostat, 2nd Gen, with remote sensor, is a smart home thermostat that uses Wi-Fi and remote temperature, occupancy sensors to deliver comfort where it matters most by adjusting your heating and cooling based on the rooms you use. It lets you control your home's temperature from your smartphone or tablet, supports major smart home platforms, and helps save energy by automatically adjusting settings when you're away or rooms are unoccupied. Remote sensors help eliminate hot and cold spots for a more balanced indoor climate. Number 5. Lux TQX Smart Thermostat. Lux TQX Smart Thermostat, a modern programmable Wi-Fi thermostat with Matter protocol support and an included remote sensor that brings smart comfort and energy savings to your home. It uses advanced occupancy sensing and on-device schedule learning to adjust heating and cooling based on when people are actually home, helping reduce energy use without sacrificing comfort. Built on the Matter Smart Home standard, it works seamlessly with major ecosystems like Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and more, letting you control temperature from your preferred smart home app or voice assistant.